Ah, wonderful. So here's a short video to show you what my students on. It was there 2 days ago. But on the top is in here it's wider than what it used to be. Here you have an interstice, that's it means spacing had healed, but now they are again wounded. And there it remains deep. Where is it? Where is it? Ah, it's here. There is less of the red colorant that was on it, it looks like. It's healing, but the skin is still move up and so that it would remain. And as well, I guess that the cuts are again cut. It's supposed to be in a better state right now. This is what they do. They visit at night to keep the wound alive, to keep the control alive, whilst humanity is being exterminated.